Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work on doing some ducting work to the radiator. So I've got my air inlet right down in here. So I've got to build some duct work to duct it up to the radiator on each side. Just basically kind of a box type thing. So we'll get started on that. So I've got a piece of thin cardboard here that I started roughing into shape. I'll just keep whittling on it till it fits. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Transfer that over to aluminum and cut a piece out. Okay, got the piece cut out, bent a flange on the bottom. A little test fit in here. Looks pretty good. Almost identical on the other side. I need to just lengthen the back of this, maybe a 1/4 inch. It'll be perfect. Okay, I've got this piece trimmed to fit pretty well. I've added a piece of trim lock on here to help protect against the radiator in case it rubs a little bit. I've also rounded this little kind of tail piece that sticks through the opening here to coddle this brake cooling duct. There, she's fitting pretty good. So now I'll do the other side. We'll pop rivet it in. Okay, I've got the two side panels put in. Got them pop riveted in down there. Now down at this front edge there's a gap under the radiator. I've got to put a little filler panel in there, so we'll do that next. Okay, I've got the bottom piece made. Got a piece of trim lock on here. Alright, that looks good. We'll pop rivet it in. Move on to the next thing. Okay, I've got the lid made. This is the top edge. You can see I've put some trim lock along there to help protect against the radiator. It's bent over each edge. A little flap to the front to go up over the lip. Okay, we'll get it pop riveted in and we'll be done. Okay, there it is, all pock riveted in, ready to go. Alrighty, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.